Right, so I got some awesome carnage today. I got this up to like 13,000 RPM roughly, something in there. And yeah, the piston just didn't like it. Okay guys, so I plasti dipped this, it's ready to go. Gotta let it dry now. I'm gonna rough these edges up too, just to make sure they get coated. Um, we gotta put Zincate on it and acid wash it, clean it. Acid wash it a couple times, Zincate it again. Then we'll get the plating, and then once it's plated, we'll come out and size it up and see how we did, and then I'll remove all of the plasti dip. That's just to keep it so it doesn't get plating on everything. Alright. Alright, so we got this cooking. We'll let it go for a couple minutes. We got it plating. Alright, so here is the 3D printed piston. It's actually 52 millimeter across. It's like an 8 millimeter hole because all this gets bored cut. You know, everything's got to get done, the ring slots, all that. You got to put pins, drill the holes for the pin, all that good stuff. It's going to get windowed. So I got to do out all that yet. But this is the blank. It'll get put in some ceramics. It'll get coated, it'll get fired, burned out, and then this will get put in sand casting on top of that with wire, and then we'll have a new piston. So that's how I made the last one. Here's the new one. So this is the blank. Alright, cool. Alright, so I got the first ring, second ring, working on the third ring, about halfway done. So we're getting there. 3-ring 51 millimeter piston, almost done. So casting came out pretty good. Guys, I'm putting the reed valve on this at the moment, and I wanted to show you, I pulled the plasti dip off this, and I stuck it back in the acid wash one time. And this thing is absolutely total mirror bling for a cast. I don't think I've ever seen cast aluminum shine like that. It's pretty cool. But the acid wash one time, nothing special. It came out like that. It was pretty cool. Alright, not bad for a rough cut. So, yeah, it came out alright. So now we'll get it all nice and pretty. Alright, well, it came out alright. We'll see how it fits and whatnot, but yeah, not too bad. It came off a, 20-year-old piece of copper. I'm going to Scotch Brite it quick and stuff, and should be alright. I just did the test fit. It seems to be pretty good. It's all matched up nice. So, there is the copper bottom end gasket. So here's my idea. You see these two corners? I get a leak on the bottom here. So that's the end result. Came out pretty decent. The whole point of that is just to give it more surface area against that thin barrier that's on part of the jug, and then the gasket against it, and the pipe against that, and hopefully it seals a little better. I get a leak down here once in a while because it's very thin there, and the gasket tends to wear the vibration, so I'm going to give that a try. I got the copper gasket in there. Let's see how that seals. Everything should be set. I put a little bit of actual 10W30 in there, rolled it around a few times just to get everything coated. You can see. And then we'll get some fuel in this, start it up in a minute, see if it runs. I guess that's where we're at. Start it up and see what happens.